Hey everybody, Marcy here. I am back with one of my Aldi hauls. So I go grocery shopping every single Friday. I learned this hack during COVID and just with kids in general. Have young kids, I love to take them to the grocery store. However, I am very busy. So when I'm busy, I need to just get stuff done. So I tend to do it Fridays on my lunch break and it's been working out fabulous. So with that being said, let's transition to my Aldi food haul, grocery haul. I am going to show you in no order. So this is how I come home from the grocery store. All right, so again, I just use reusable bags and I simply go grocery shopping. I just dump it in there because I don't really care what it is. Okay, so bacon, yes, I totally understand, not healthy at all, but this bacon is super good. I am paying a special attention to it being uncured. So this is my Saturday or Sunday splurge whenever I make breakfast on the weekends. This week at Aldi, they had some chicken breast skewers. So it's the weekend. I grill almost every weekend anyway, as most of you know. So yep, this is my little fun splurge this weekend. Bananas, again, you can never have enough. This week, we did not have regular conventional bananas on sale, so this week I had to upgrade to the organic because they are green. So when you're grocery shopping in advance, super important to, oh gosh, buy as green as possible. Otherwise, by the end of the week, you're going to have very brown, mushy stuff. Okay, frozen vegetables is always the get down. Have a variety this week, obviously, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. Meal prep, pears, love pears, they're great. Peaches have been on sale, so peaches have been really, really good. Now, they only take about 2 to 3 days in order to be ready to eat. These are some that I bought last Friday, and I definitely need to throw these away. So let's go ahead and do that. So throwing these away, not too bad. They're actually pretty squishable. I could really eat those if I chose to, but I'm not going to. Let's see, blackberries. I eat these with my breakfast on the weekend and in the week. Avocados. So Aldi has been losing their mind with avocados lately. They have not been on sale over $1. So they are back to 75 cents a piece. And that's not even Aldi's best price. So that's a little disappointing, but I went ahead and did it anyway. I bought a tasty pineapple. So my trick for pineapple, I tend to put it in my water. So I will keep the core, put it in my water. It's great for inflammation and things of that nature. I buy a gang of blueberries because, again, I eat blueberries and beans with my dinner, as well as egg whites. So then I don't have to eat as much meat. That's like my little trick. All right, spinach artichoke. Okay, once again, absolutely not healthy, but on the weekend I like to have fun, so I have some pita chips, so maybe tonight me and my husband will partake in that after our dinner. Once again, another not healthy. I stopped buying yogurt a very, very long time ago. However, I have kids, so just to give my kids variety, every now and then I buy yogurt. Now, I buy in moderation. I don't like having tons of stuff because then they think they can eat it like candy. And then they think I'm gonna buy it all the time. So with that being said, I'm the nice mom that I am, that I simply just bought 3, 4 different kinds of yogurt. So we'll just see which type they've tried, and believe it or not, because I don't buy this stuff for my kids, they've actually never tried these. Yeah, sugar content is what I go to. So here's sugar content. If I can focus this, there we go. 24%, 12 added sugars, 12 grams, totally not cool. This is why I do not buy this. So kiwis, always buy kiwis as part of my breakfast meal prep or late night snack. Sweet potatoes, I buy every week, and I'm so excited because I am going to add this to my garden coming up. So adding potatoes to my gardening is gonna be awesome. I have these baby yellow potatoes that I will do with my lunch or dinner this weekend, and I'll probably pair it with some vegetables. So that's that quick how I create a meal. You do not need anything fancy. This week I am trying the smoky barbecue hummus. Sounds a little crazy. I typically get red pepper hummus, that's my favorite. So I'm gonna be trying something different this week. I think that includes that bag. Oh, peppers. Peppers, I'm a little low on my lunch items, so I do eat peppers for lunch. Also, my kids enjoy snacking on peppers. Okay, coming along to my mixed greens. So I've been getting the spinach and arugula mix for a very long time now, and I'm kind of tired of it. So I've been switching over to the mixed greens, and for the most part, they're good. Always check inside of this. I have found ladybugs inside of this before. I have just found soggy lettuce. So here's one good example. Make sure you always check, because it drives me nuts that I can buy a fresh box of vegetables and yeah, they're bad already. Okay, almost done wrapping up. I bought egg whites. So I've been eating egg whites for dinner now, about 6 months. It's again, kind of cool. I eat the liquid egg whites along with the blueberries, along with an avocado as my protein for dinner. So when I show you my meal prep videos, oftentimes it is without a protein of meat. And so with that being said, that's what I do. So this was my non-food purchase this time, and this is pretty exciting because I have been looking for a pizza cutter for an extremely long time, and they finally had one on sale. So this thing is massive. The guy in the store goes, "You must really love pizza." And I go, "Yeah, pretty much." But yeah, this thing is massive. Gotta keep it away from my kids. But yeah, it was very, very cheap. I think it only cost $8. And if I conclude my grocery bag, I only have eggs left. I literally buy 3 things of eggs a week. Some people love eggs, some people hate eggs. In our family, we love eggs. And the last thing I'll share, as our eggs, as we eat them, I have started this egg smusher container because we do a lot of composting. And so we save all of our eggshells and then we go put it in our garden. And we have composted, whoa, sorry, super heavy. We have compost here, as well as compost on the stove. So I'll show you that really quick. And so all of our scrappings, we put it in the water and then we go feed it to our lovely vegetables and garden outside for plant food, because plants love healthy food as well. So with that being said, that is my grocery haul for the week, just so you can see the randomness that I buy. Some healthy, some not healthy, some for breakfast meal prep, some for the weekend meal prep. I always pretty much shop. I do eat out. I went on a field trip yesterday with my kids. I ate Chick-fil-A 3 times. So the last thing I want is anything fast food. I don't want any bread or anything. So with that being said, I will be eating healthy this weekend, and I will talk to you for my next video. So if you like just seeing what's in my grocery basket, or if you need additional tips, please let me know. I absolutely love grocery shopping. It is an outlet for me because I love to see really what other people are buying. And then I just kind of, either shake my head or go, wow, that's insane. It's pretty comical if you'll see what people put in their buggies from time to time. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Haven't seen you all for a while. Peace. Hope you have a great weekend. See ya.